Hey everybody, I'm Kate and this is Shut Up and Show Me. This video is for right-handed crafters. If you're left-handed, check out my left-hand version linked in the description below. So a slip knot is how most crochet projects start, and it's called a slip knot because when you pull on the ends, the knot just slips out. I'm going to start by measuring about 10 or 12 inches of yarn. I'm going to drape it over my hand so the part that leads to the ball comes down from my index finger towards my pinky. I'm going to take the tail and I'm going to wrap it around my index finger twice. So now I've got 2 loops on my finger. I'm going to take the first loop, move it over the top of the second towards the end of my finger. And then I'm going to take the first, move it over the top of the second and off the end of my finger. I'm going to pull on both ends to tighten up the knot. Then I'm going to put it on my hook. I'm going to pull on the end that leads to the ball and tighten up that loop. I want it loose enough so that it still slides back and forth along the hook, but I don't want it so loose that it's going to fall off the hook if I do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos and hit the subscribe button below. Until next time, happy crafting!